Welcome to Quiz Splash, the channel where fun meets challenge. Today, we're testing your movie knowledge in a whole new way. Guess the movie using only emojis. Think fast, comment your score, and let's see how many you can get right. Let the quiz begin. The Lion King. That's the legendary animated classic. Can you guess the next one? Titanic. The unforgettable love story at sea. The Lord of the Rings, an epic fantasy journey begins. Can you guess the next one? Jurassic Park, Welcome to the Island of Dinosaurs. Can you guess the next one? Spider-Man, the web-slinging superhero. Can you guess the next one? Batman, Gotham's Dark Knight. Can you guess the next one? Interstellar, a journey beyond space and time. Can you guess the next one? WALL-E, the lovable robot adventure. Can you guess the next one? Frozen, the icy musical sensation. Can you guess the next one? Pirates of the Caribbean, a swashbuckling pirate adventure. Can you guess the next one? Jaws, the movie that made the ocean terrifying. Can you guess the next one? Cars, high-speed animated fun. Can you guess the next one? Moon, a gripping sci-fi drama. Can you guess the next one? Inside Out, where emotions come alive. Can you guess the next one? Kung Fu Panda, a panda who becomes a kung fu master. Can you guess the next one? Harry Potter, the magical wizarding world. Can you guess the next one? King Kong, the legendary giant ape. Can you guess the next one? Toy Story, when toys come to life. Can you guess the next one? Twilight, a vampire romance phenomenon. Can you guess the next one? Captain America, the super soldier with a shield. Can you guess the next one? Star Wars? A galaxy far, far away. Can you guess the next one? The Hunger Games, a deadly fight for survival. Can you guess the next one? Aladdin, a wish that changes everything. Can you guess the next one? Finding Nemo, an unforgettable ocean journey. Can you guess the next one? E.T., the friendly alien who just wants to go home. Can you guess the next one? Wicked, the untold story of a witch. Can you guess the next one? Everest, a true story of extreme survival. Can you guess the next one? The Matrix, reality is not what it seems. Can you guess the next one? Indiana Jones, the ultimate adventure hero. Can you guess the next one? World War Z, a global zombie outbreak. Can you guess the next one? Joker, a dark and unforgettable character study. Can you guess the next one? Terminator, the unstoppable machine from the future. Can you guess the next one? Inception, dreams within dreams within dreams. Can you guess the next one? The Flash, the fastest man alive. Can you guess the next one? Godzilla, the king of monsters awakens. Can you guess the next one? Ghostbusters, who you gonna call? Can you guess the next one? Planet of the Apes, a future ruled by apes. Can you guess the next one? Alice in Wonderland, a magical trip into fantasy. Can you guess the next one? Sully, a heroic true-life landing. Can you guess the next one? Avengers: Earth's Mightiest Heroes Unite. Can you guess the next one? How to Train Your Dragon, a powerful bond between boy and dragon. Can you guess the next one? The Martian, surviving against all odds on Mars. Can you guess the next one? Sherlock Holmes, the brilliant detective at work. Can you guess the next one? Singin' in the Rain, a timeless musical classic. Can you guess the next one? Zombieland, zombies with comedy and chaos. Can you guess the next one? Forrest Gump, life really is like a box of chocolates. Can you guess the next one? Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, a multiverse superhero hit. Can you guess the next one? The Wolfman, a terrifying full moon curse. Can you guess the next one? The Ice Queen, a frozen royal tale. Can you guess the next one? La La Land, dreams, music, and love collide. Can you guess the next one? The Dark Knight, the legendary rise of Gotham's hero. Can you guess the next one? Fast and Furious, speed, action, and family. Can you guess the next one? Gravity, a breathtaking fight to survive in space. Can you guess the next one? Snakes on a Plane, exactly what the title promises. Can you guess the next one? Hocus Pocus, a spooky Halloween favorite. Can you guess the next one? Godzilla, a monster that shakes the entire city. Can you guess the next one? Lucy, unlocking the true power of the human brain. Can you guess the next one? Kung Fu Panda 2, The Dragon Warrior returns. Can you guess the next one? The Walking Dead, surviving the zombie apocalypse. Can you guess the next one? The Conjuring, one of the scariest haunted house stories ever. That's today's Quiz Splash. How many movies did you guess right? Drop your score in the comments. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.